Short on time for the gym? Looking to incorporate exercise into your day? The Ampera office bike is a great way to do that. It allows you to strengthen muscles and burn more calories while you work at your desk. The bike operates smoothly with a good range of resistance levels suitable for working. It features a stable base and an adjustable seat for safety and comfort during use. Cool, right? Here's one more huge advantage of this bike. It turns kinetic energy into electricity and can charge up your portable devices, either wirelessly with a built-in 15-watt charger or via cable through the 65-watt USB-C port. At a speed of 60 RPM, the bike is capable of producing up to 65 watts per hour at any given resistance level. And the cherry on top, it's possible to customize the bike a bit. Okay, so your friends already avoid meeting with you because they're sick of your request to take a pic of you? No judgment, just understanding. Use Vacuumworks, an accessory that combines a vacuum suction cup with an octopus tripod design, allowing you to capture photos or shoot videos from virtually any angle. The automatic sensor removes air between surfaces to create a vacuum seal, ensuring a secure grip. Then adjust the spherical connection for 360-degree panoramic shots. The octopus tripod provides stable support on any terrain. What's even cooler is that you can extend it up to 25 inches. Additionally, the tripod includes a remote for hands-free capturing. When needed, remove your phone or action cam with the press of a button. Speaking of devices, this product is compatible with any flat-back device weighing up to 11 pounds. Some movie directors are already using smartphone cameras on set, and you might too. This anamorphic lens makes it really easy to take cinematic videos. Just attach it on top of your main cam. It's compatible with a broad variety of smartphones, including iPhone and Samsung Galaxy series. In some cases, though, you'll have to use the included mounting clip. So this is the 1.55x version, which allows a particularly wide authentic frame. In addition, the multi-layered glasses provide the footage with some cool lens flares. There are a bunch of editing apps that already support this lens. I also have another lens here, a Telephoto 6x lens enabling ultra-zoom photography with an adjustable focus wheel for expansive reach. It seems perfect for wildlife, urban content, and low-light close-ups. It brings distance scenes closer than ever. After all, who in their right mind would want to come close to, a crocodile or a bear, right? Crafted from premium multi-coated glass, the lens gives 6x optical magnification. All you need is to adjust the macro control on the camera app for optimal results and use the tripod to get rid of shaky shots. Making movies and stunning shots isn't that hard, actually. Some tiny tools can accomplish big tasks. For instance, this thermal cam might identify problems before they occur. The Klein tool's thermal imager boasts 10,800 pixels, ensuring sharp resolution for pinpointing hot and cold spots. You can view temperatures from -4 to 752 degrees Fahrenheit in 3 palettes: iron bow, rainbow, or grayscale. This way you're able to diagnose energy loss in buildings, detect moisture, or spot clogs, among other tasks. What's great is that it's also possible to capture, store, and share thermal images and videos. Additionally, the app will provide you with even more advanced features like touchscreen temperature control, high-low alarms, and differential readings. Remember the Invisibility Shield I showed you some time ago? The manufacturer has improved the sizes. Now the full-size shield boasts a 17% increase in coverage area, while the Mega Shield stands tall at 6 feet, concealing multiple individuals. Additionally, they have improved stability. The shields can now stand on their own and are easy to disassemble, transport, and store. The rest remains the same. These are precision-engineered lens arrays that refract background light onto the front side. As a result, when you put this thing in front of you, you become invisible. Just what you need for taking pics or playing hide and seek.